Hello, welcome back to another 15-minute full body mobility session. We're going to be doing a few new movements today, which is exciting, but don't worry because I'm going to be chatting you through the whole thing, giving you some top tips and tricks as well to get the most out of it. So if you enjoy this workout, make sure to subscribe because I've got a whole playlist of mobility sessions similar to this one that you can include as part of your regular fitness routine. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with a little hamstring stretch. We're coming down and scooping with our hands. So we want to keep our back fairly straight. You should feel the stretch all down the back of your leg. You can do the little steps forward if you like. I prefer that because I feel like I'm moving through space a bit more, but you can also just do it stationary. Okay, next we're going into a lunge reach. So you're gonna bring your arm up, bring it across your chest, and back up. This is gonna help us open up the chest and the shoulders, as well as getting a little bit of that lunge action in there as well. Switch sides. Nice big stretch, opening up the chest at the top. Okay, now we're going into a cobra flow. So we're almost like you're swimming forwards, then pushing up, back down, push back. So go again, swim forwards, pushing up, down, and back. Okay, now we're going to go into child's pose and back into cobra. This one's really nice on your back and shoulders. Okay, so we're gonna come standing, gonna reverse lunge, twist, back up, switch leg, twist, back up. So you're twisting towards the leg, your front leg that's bent. Cool. Now we're going into lateral lunges. So I want you to ease into this. Try and aim to get a little bit further down each time. You can do a little twist with your foot at the bottom too. Now we're coming into 90-90s. So I've done these a few times before, but you're bringing your front leg 90 degrees, back leg at 90 degrees, and then rotating. This one's really good for your hip flexors. Now into butterfly. So we're controlling the whole time. You want to aim to get your legs further down each time you do this. Okay, staying in this seated position, we're gonna do an overhead tricep stretch. So you're just bringing your opposite hand to the opposite elbow and pulling that over. We're gonna switch this halfway. Should be really a nice stretch along your tricep. Nice. Now we're gonna spin over and go for thread the needle. So arm comes through the gap, stretch up, and again. We're working our shoulders and a bit of our back here. Other side. You may be able to get further up than me because I've got pretty gammy shoulders. But it's all about our own ability levels, so you can easily take these sessions at your own pace. Nice. Now we're going into cat-cow. So you've got cat, no, yeah, cat is up and then cow is down, I think. But anyway, you're breathing out on the way up and in at the bottom. Now into downward dog, we're gonna do calf pedals. This is gonna help with a bit of mobility in your ankles, as well as getting a little calf stretch in there too. Cool. So I want you to do a very similar thing, but this time when you come forwards, you're going on the front of your foot. We're not leaning our whole weight on it, but I want you to get the stretch up the front of your foot too. Okay, so we're going to go into hip flexor leg lifts. These are always an essential part of any lower body mobility routine because your hip flexors play such an important role in pretty much all of your lower body lifts. Switching sides. Think about contracting your quads to raise your leg. Okay, now we're going to come into a glute bridge position. I should have chosen different hairstyles. We're going to raise one leg at a time and try and keep your hips lifted throughout the whole thing. Okay, now into regular glute bridges. Squeeze your glutes to the top and back down. Now you're going to Put your arms out. Bring one leg over. Your back might crack for this one. This is a lumbar spinal rotation. And I really love this one. It's such a good back stretch. I'm gonna do the other side. You might also feel this stretch in your shoulders and upper back a bit as well. And that's all good. So staying lying on the floor, we're gonna come into a goalpost position and stretch your arms overhead and then back down so your elbows are about 90 degrees. This is for our shoulders and upper back. Okay, now spinning over, we're gonna do half Supermans. So arms overhead, bring it up and back down. Right, similar to what we were doing lying on our backs, we're going forwards. It's almost like a reverse lat pull down. A lying lat pull down. It's almost like a lying lat pull down. Okay, back into Cobra, then into Child's Pose. Okay, now we're going into Pigeon fold. So one knee's bent in front of us and you're coming down as far as you can go. If you want to go all the way down, go all the way down. If not, then just go as far as your mobility allows. Okay, now we're going to up the intensity a little bit. I want you to grab your heel on the opposite leg. If this is too tricky, just stay in Pigeon fold. I want to keep the chest up. Now switching sides, back into Pigeon fold, but with our right knee forward. Okay, try and reach for that back leg, pull it towards you, and then chest up. Now we're going to go into another upper body stretch. So we're going to clasp our hands in front of us, bring them up, and we're leaning to the side. Other side. I really want you to aim to feel that stretch in your lats. Okay, spinning back round. We're going to do one final stretch, which is child's pose. And we're done. So I hope you enjoyed that routine. If you did, make sure to subscribe because I share videos like this every single week. I'd recommend including regular mobility work as part of your routine 2 to 6 times a week. But it's also great to switch things up and keep things interesting. So if you want your next mobility session, make sure to check out this playlist next. Love you so much and I'll see you there.